and welcome back to techystack channel. Today we'll try to explore one more new topic. So how we can get the unique data from the strings. So let me show you the example. So as of now, I have the string one. Okay, in the string one, I have will build one data is similar way I have the string two. So in this string two, I have build pandey. Okay, now my output should become like this. Build, this should be pandey. So the output should become like this. So this one, how we can achieve it here, but we'll try now it. So first of all, I will take the assign activity. So in this assign activity, I will create string one. Okay, under the string one, I will pass the data as bill. Okay, similar way, I will take one more variable and here I will pass as bill Pandey. So let me remove this skill and I am getting Pandey. So this is done. So here I will show you the two methods. So first method is with the help of functions. So with the help of functions, I will show you. So now just I will take one more as an activity. So whatever the input is giving now, so just I will club to the together. So and I will make one more variable which I call string three. So in string three, I have this data. So in string three, what I will do now, I will just concatenate the string one plus string two. So string one plus string two. Okay, now this is done. After this, what I will do now, I will take just message box to display the main output. Here I will take the functions. So string dot join. Okay, after that space. So here I'm having the data with this space now. So that's why I will take space, comma. So my final output where it will store on string three. So just I will give the string of three dot split open brackets dot distinct. So what it will do, now, it will take the unique values from it. So let me update this. This is a function which we need to update here. So this is done. Now what I will do, I will just run this part. So once I run that bot, so we can see this kill bill Pandey. So actually what I given, the input is kill bill and unmode string is kill bill, sorry, bill Pandey. And my just concatenated these two things from the concatenated string. So I will just use the string, I mean string functions and get the data as kill bill Pandey. So this is a method how we can do one method. So this is the using the functions. So generally what they will ask now, so they don't want to use any functions. So just use some alternate method. So don't use any third party functions like that. Just use the some conditions. That's it. So for that purpose, what I will do now, just I will remove this message box. Okay. After this, I will just take for each activity. For each activity. Okay. In this for each activity, what I will do, just I will take this string three. So split of string three, comma my split is the space. Okay, what it will do now, it will split for the first kill, unlock, and so on. It will do in. So again, I will take one more for each activity inside this. Okay, let me change the current item one and here current item two. Here, what I need to update one more variable. So for that, I will take one more variable again. So let me take as an activity, and I'm declaring here final or let it be temp data. Okay. In this temp data, I will just use only one letter. So that's it. So because I need to look that. So if I don't look, how I don't know how to find this duplicate data is available in the particular data. Okay. And here I will use this temp data. Sorry, let me use split of temp data. So this is done. Okay, now what I will do now, just I will change this as 2. And inside I will give the 2 conditions. So let me take the if condition. Okay, if current item 1 dot 2 string not equals to current item 2 dot 2 string. Okay, if this is not equals to, then I will take one assign variable activity and I will update here as status. Let me take status. Okay, if this is not equals to for satisfied all the conditions, then it should be yes. If none of the satisfied the condition, for example, I will show you the example now. So let me take one more variable and I will assign here. I will show that how it will works. So let me take the same status. Okay, I need to change this variable scope. Let me change to status here. Okay, this is done. Here I will make it as no. If anytime it's having the repeated value, it's fine. Then I don't want to save the data. And downside after this loop. Okay, here I will take one more if condition. So basically in interviews, this question will last. Why? Because if you give the one line answer, then one line splitting last I show you, no? That's a very simple one. So if they will ask why, this means here use multiple loops. So they need to understand how you are perfectly with the loops and string operations. So now I will take here status equals to yes. Then update the data to this value. So let me take this and putting the inside. And here at the end, I will make less. Let me elaborate this one. I will go this open unit concept. So the first, the temp data plus double quotes plus current item 1.2 string. So you can do vice versa, it is fine, no problem. Okay. Now I will run one by one more. I am going this step by step. So just I will come to this till data, temp data. So and I will show the here string one is still bill, string two is this data, and string three this data. In string three, we can see this it's a duplicate. Now let me show you the temp data as well. In temp data, it's A1. So first of all, it will take this first split. Okay, in this split, just I will show the current item dot to string. So basically, it will store kill. Okay, now it will go inside and it will check this condition. So here temperature having the ODA. So basically it's not equals to that. So then it will go this status yes and it update us my output here downside. So if you see here, it will update in temperature. Now I will show the temperature a kill. Okay, once everything is done, I will remove this a at the end point. So now it moved to the next statement. Next for each. So here what it will store the data will store as kill. Okay. Now it will look for A and kill. So it will check for the both the values. So here also it will satisfy the condition. Okay, because it's having A kill. Okay. So condition has been satisfied. Now it will move to the out of that first for each, and here temperature has an A kill bill. If you see here, A kill bill. Okay. Now we have the bill. Now it's a duplicate. Now what it will do now, it will go inside of that for each activity. And first, if you see here, current item 2, it's A. So basically it will have a S because it's not satisfied the condition. And second, for each. Okay, here my current item is bill, sorry, kill. Okay, now it will move there. And you can see the status. So it's still it's S. Now it moved to the third. So it's saying as no. Now if you see this current item, 2. So bill. And I will show you current item 1. So both are matching. So it states as no. If any one of the cases the status is no, then I don't want to add the data to there. Okay, it won't add the data. Still, if you see this temp data, take kill bill. Now it will move to the next. And finally, it will take the Pandey. So it will check all the conditions, whether all conditions has been satisfied or not. If any one of the condition not satisfied, then it will take the defect. Now all conditions has been satisfied. Then you can see the temp data. A Kill Bill Pandey. So forget about A. So this one I will remove the after that. So let me run. So this all condition has been satisfied and we can see the temp data as okay. Just I came out. So the temp data as a kill bill. Okay, let me take this temp data. Okay, let me stop this. Once everything is done, so what I will do here, let me take one more message box. In this message box, I will update one data here. So I will take here write. Okay, or I write off my data. So what is my data here is temp data. So let me update this temp data, comma, length of temp data. Already I given A and space. So it's having two length. So minus two. Length of temp data minus two. Okay, this is done. So if I run this, it will give the output as Kill Bill Pandey. So it remove the A as well. And you can see this Kill Bill Pandey. So finally it's updated like this.